Here's Abigail.
Now what do we do?
Now what do we do? She wants to know. She's at gymnastics. And she's going to do a somersault. Can you do a forward roll? There we go. Come on, get up there, Abigail. Do a forward roll. Try again. Get your feet up there. Get your feet up there. There we go. Now do a forward roll. Now she can do it. Now.
There you go.
Yay!
You did it!
Now they're going to roll down.
Now we can do it. Yep. Arms by your
Do
ears,
it
though.
again.
Arms by your ears. Feet together. Feet together. Legs together. Legs straight. And go.
Here we go.
Good job. Go, Abby. Yeah. Arms up by your ears. Feet together. Legs straight. Straight legs. There you go. And roll.
And now she's going to jump.
No. Come back. When you do it, you want to tuck here to the tuck position like this. With your feet
Jump.
not your knees. Okay.
And one more jump.
Hands down and feet. There you go.